Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. While locking your phone with side button, there will be small sound. While unlocking your phone, there will be a small sound. If you would like to turn off this screen lock unlocking sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and here select screen lock unlock. Just turn off this button, and now screen locking and unlocking sound will not hearable. See here, I lock my phone, there is no sound. While unlocking my phone, there is no sound. In this way, you can easily turn off screen lock and unlocking sound. If you want to have the sound, turn on this button. If you don't want, turn off this button. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.